Yo, what's good with it, Pack family? This your boy, Mr. Check My Resume. I'm here to bring you my watch list for the week of July the 24th. So without any delay, we're going to get right into it. The first ticker on my watch list this week is going to be Oxy. I really like the way that oil is setting up this week. We had Oxy that closed with the inside week. We're looking for a 212 bullish continuation here on the week that should take us to about the $64 range if you're looking for a short-term target here. But then also, if you're looking for more of a macro move here, we got some levels up to about $70. You probably need to get some contracts out to maybe September or so to catch that move. August contracts, you may be pushing it, but really like the setup here on the inside week for this bullish continuation on Oxy. So that's the first one on my list that I want to talk about with to you all this week. The next one I want to get into is RCL. That's Royal Cruise Lines. That's one we've been playing throughout the first 2 quarters of the year. And this one now is kind of pushing up in its highs. It had a little bit of a retracement over the last week or so. And now we're looking to TTO back and forth to the upside. We are looking for a weekly reversal here at the level of 102.87. We're looking to push this one ultimately close to about the 120 range. But I think depending on how you want to play it, you may have some room back to 105 on some short-term targets. But there is an opportunity for this one to continue and move in force. This one still has magnitude on it. So I really like the way RCL sets up here for the TTO. So that's the first one. That's the second one here on my list. And then the next one here is Delta. And Delta is another one in the travel sector we've been talking about. We've been playing airline and cruise lines. So this is just another situation here where we're looking at this stock has been in force. It's been moving to the upside for quite a while. So now we're looking at what we call a TTO situation. We had an outside week 2 weeks ago. Close with the inside week this week. So we're setting up for a Chicago 312 to the upside here at $49.10. We are 2 up on the macros. We are looking to take this one back in full time frame continuity if and when this trigger hits on Delta. So we're looking at that trigger to hit, then we're looking to take this level just north of $50 and maybe a level of like $50.18. And then from there, if we can push through, if you got a little more time on your contracts, we can push up to the 5160 level, maybe even up to about 52 or just north of $52 there on Delta. I have a level of like 52.10 potentially as well on Delta. So that's another one here on the watch list that I really wanted to talk to you all about. And then the last one that I'm going to bring to you today will be AT&T. So this is one that we've been looking at in the pack. We do have some members already in this trade already, but we do see that AT&T has taken out these lows. It was really looking at this monthly broadening formation around, it was like around $13 or just north of $13. We took out that level this past week. We closed out with the hammer alpha taking those lows. So we are looking for a reversal back to the upside here on AT&T. We got the weekly entry here above $14.78. We do have a monthly trigger as well, but just thinking about this weekly at first, we can push this one back to about the $15.60 level. Ultimately, there is another level. You got the point of control of the day here, right just below $16, like $15.94. And then we have a quarterly broadening formation at about $16.20. Once you get to that broadening formation, it gives you the opportunity to flip the month and give you a monthly reversal. That'll be at the 1623 level. And then from there, you've got magnitude back to about the $20 level of just north of $20. So first things first, we've got to get this weekly reversal and then get to these broadening formations here on the quarter, right where the point of control is. So then from there, we'll be able to estimate or determine how price looks from there. But we've got the short-term move, and then we've got a longer magnitude potential move as well on AT&T. And so that's all I'm going to bring to you all today. So I turn it back over to you, FICO, to get the full watch list. You got to be a member of the pack. So tap in with us. Peace, everybody.